Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Waiz bin Muhammad Ikhwan as a representative of Mahat Company. Our company is Civil Engineering Material Company and we specialize in high strength reinforcement concrete and also ultra high performance concrete. We focus on high stress resistance, durability and safety. So about our background is we are established to meet the high demands for high performance material, and we wanted to tackle the infrastructure challenges. And the vision of our company is we wanted to become the leading provider of high performance concrete and create the solutions that enhance structural safety, durability and sustainability in civil engineering infrastructure. And our mission is to design and supply high strength reinforcement concrete that safely withstand high structural stresses. So the clients that we work with is Public Work Department JKR, and their role is to design and create the blueprints for the bridges, infrastructure and buildings. And our relationship to the project is Mahat Company will supply the high strength concrete for high stress structural members and ensure that allowable stress and factors of safety requirement are met. So next is product overview will be talked about by our representative Danish.
Now I'm gonna talk about the product itself. The Mahat Hut series have two products, which is Mahat Hut 60 and Mahat Hut 120. Mahat Hut 60 is a high strength reinforced concrete that can withstand more than 60 MPa, while the Mahat Hut 120 is ultra high performance concrete that can withstand more than 120 MPa. So Mahat Hut series are high performance cementitious material engineered to resist high compressive, tensile and shear stress. These products are designed to meet the demands of modern structural engineering. So, what are the purpose of this product? The purpose of this is actually to withstand the high internal stresses, to reduce cross-sectional dimensions, to improve durability and crack resistance, and lastly to increase the factor of safety. The uniqueness of our product is it is actually optimized stress distribution. It has fiber reinforced in the Hut 120. It has low permeability but high durability. And lastly, it has excellent performance under bending and shear.
So, for the product advantage, the main advantage of the Mahat Hut series are high compressive and tensile strength, better stress distribution and crack resistance, reduced structural size and deformation, longer service life with lower maintenance costs. These advantages make the product suitable for bridge, high-rise buildings and precast structures. In the international market, similar products include Ductile by Holcim, Sikacrete UHPC by Sika, and Virtua Ultra by Cemex. Locally, most competitors supply normal or conventional concrete, which has lower strength and durability. Compared to this, Mahat Hut offer higher performance than normal concrete and a more economical, locally adaptable alternative to import UHPC products. So in conclusion, Mahat Hut provides a strong, durable and competitive solution for high-stress civil engineering application. So that's all from me. So proceed to the next part. Thank you.
I will explain about the material properties and the technical specification. For the properties, we are divided into four parts of it, which is yield strength, ultimate compressive strength, tensile strength, and modulus of elasticity. For the yield strength, both of Mahat 16 and Mahat 120 is having a same yield strength for the steel bar, which is approximately 500 megapascal. For the ultimate compressive strength, for the Mahat 60 having a 60 to 90 megapascal. Meanwhile, for the Mahat 120 is between 100 to 118 megapascal. For the tensile strength, for the Mahat 60, it is around 4 to 6 megapascal. Meanwhile, for the Mahat 120 is around 8 to 15 megapascal. And lastly, for the modulus of elasticity, for the Mahat 60 is around 35 to 45 gigapascal. Meanwhile, for the Mahat 120 is around 45 to 55 gigapascal. So for other properties here, from the density, the value given is around 2,400 to 2,500 kg over meter cube. For the thermal expansion, this value is range 10 to 12, 10 of the power negative 6 degrees Celsius. For the ductility and brittleness, for the HAT 16 is brittle, meanwhile for the HAT 120 is pseudo ductile. For the permeability is very low, and lastly the shrinkage is minimal.
Next, I will explain the implementation, application and process of MAHAT hard concrete. This hard performance concrete is designed with high stress and ensure the structure safety, durability and efficient in modern construction. The concrete is used in real applications such as a bridge, column, and it shows the ability to withstand with the high stress and high compressive load. For the implementation process, starts with design analysis, where internal forces and allowable stress are checked. Next is a material selection, where the HAT 16 and HAT 120 is chosen based on the stress level. Then, the concrete is measured and cast using the controlled by batching flow by the proper curing to achieve the required strength that we needed. Finally, we install and do some quality control to carry out the ensure of structure safety and performance. In the conclusion, the implementation process ensure that MAHAT concrete achieve the superior strength, durability and structurality, making it suitable for the demanding applications such as brick, deck, high-rise building and long span beam for the structure. So thank you everyone. So I would like to say that through the precise designs, advanced material engineering and strict control, MAHAT hard concrete can deliver the exception structure performance to ensure the maximum safety and the long-term durability. So thank you. Assalamualaikum.